5 Best Vacuum for Hardwood Floor Reviews. Number 1. Shark Rotator Professional Lift Away. This vacuum is fantastic because it's basically 3 vacuums in one. It is powerful and portable, and its convenient canister makes vacuuming quick and easy on both carpets and hardwood flooring. If you're looking for something that's versatile, this best hardwood floor vacuum is for you. It has swivel steering to maneuver around furniture, and it features a power nozzle with LED headlights. It also has a brush roll to provide you with superior performance. This best vacuum hardwood floor features anti-allergen complete seal technology, which guarantees entrapment of 99.99% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Number 2. Visil Hard Floor Canister Vacuum. This vacuum is truly a great purchase because it's powerful, yet also cleans delicately in order to protect your floor surfaces. Its rubber wheels are made specifically so that they don't mark your floors, so you don't have to worry about dents and scratches. This vacuum is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and store. The fingertip control feature allows you to power the vacuum and control the suction in order to safely clean surfaces like drapes and upholstery. Its tank opens easily and makes for a no-mess disposal. It also has automatic cord rewind, also for your convenience. You just can't go wrong with this vacuum. Number 3. Miele Classic C1 Olympus. This vacuum has some great features that will ensure a seamless vacuuming experience. For starters, it features a FiberTech floor tool that's ideal for cleaning low-pile carpeting, rugs, and most importantly, hardwood flooring. This tool will enable you to make a smooth transition from vacuuming your rugs to vacuuming your hardwood floors without changing the suction piece that you're using. The Olympus has a telescopic, stainless steel wand so that way you can get into every little crevice with no problems. It also has automatic cord rewind for a total cleaning radius of 29.5 feet. Its accessories include a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, and a crevice nozzle. Number 4. Hoover Corded Cyclonic Stick Vacuum. This vacuum will make your cleaning process significantly faster and easier. It has a high-powered brush roll with cyclonic technology, which means that it easily transitions from hardwood flooring to carpeting, and vice versa. The wheels are easy on floors, and the swivel steering will let you maneuver around furniture with ease. Its cleaning bristles are made with convenience in mind, and they remove dirt from even the toughest surfaces. The wide mouth on the suction piece cleans up messes and spills with ease. If you're looking for something that will clean up literally any mess, this type best hardwood floor vacuum is for you. It even has an extreme recline handle that reaches far under tables and other furniture with ease. Number 5. Hoover Lynx Cordless Stick Vacuum. This vacuum is truly amazing. It is cordless, bagless, and has wind tunnel technology. Its interchangeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery will provide you with fade-free power, and its motorized power brush turns off with the flip of a switch for the perfect hardwood flooring cleaning system. It has an 11-inch wide nozzle for maximum vacuuming efficiency. Hoover Lynx also has edge cleaning bristles, a low-profile base, a battery fuel gauge, and a battery charger. Its dual-tank system makes it easy to keep your cleaning solution and dirty water separate from each other. It also has a very powerful 12-amp motor with removable brushes.
Don't